Alright everybody, welcome back. Let's expand a little bit more on the if statement because we're going to build up into an interactive program in the next video. Okay, so we've seen this is where we left off last time. Let's create a variable. A char type, ch, and we're going to assign it the value a. Okay. So now, instead of comparing numbers that we have used, we use actually integer literals. Let's compare a variable. Ch. Okay. And let's see if it's equivalent to the character literal alpha. A. And let's run it. Alright, and it passes through as we expect. Ch equals A. Okay, now what if we change the variable to C? Okay. We run it. And it does not pass through. It skips this block of code because C does not equal A. Now, just to go a little bit farther, let's change this back to A. Now, let's look at this table. I have the ASCII table pulled up again that we talked about in the first video, and I'll share that video in the link where we begin talking about this. We'll see that A is equivalent to 65. And now let's see if this turns out to be equivalent to 65. Yes, the numerical value is 65 without quotation marks or a single quotes. And it does pass through because this is actually comparing the integer value associated with that character to 65. I think we went over that pretty well in a previous video. But here it is again as an example, but we didn't go over that with an if statement because we didn't cover the if statements yet. And this is it. Okay. So yes, we can actually use character values. Okay. And compare the characters. We can actually compare any other type. So that's it for this video. But I wanted to show you this because this is where we're going to start off when we make our program interactive. And this will be our first interactive program in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. And we just took the if statement a little farther, not too much, nothing special here. Thank you for watching again, and let's watch the next video.